GM guys, quick update here to crypto traders and investors. Bitcoin appears to be in danger right now. And last week I made a video saying that Bitcoin is going to $44,000 and I shorted big. And it went up and I saw the comments. People were like, oh yeah, look, Bitcoin is now going up now. And we heard the news of the rate cuts, so it pumped it up even more. $64,000, I believe, was the top recently of last week. And now we're looking at an interesting future here ahead of us, in which is the month of September. Historically, for the last 10 years, Bitcoin has always gone down in the month of September, except for three Septembers only, for 3 years. So history doesn't always repeat itself, but it rhymes. So if Bitcoin is going to go to 40,000 levels, which it might, it's going to be in the month of September. You have to prepare because it might. Or it might get close to it. Maybe 50s could be the range that we play around. I expect a further decline from where we are right now for a little bit before we now take off. So October is usually a bullish month. We call it October. The markets go up like crazy, but obviously we have to decline in September. Now, this September is a little different because we're having the rate cuts in the month of September again. We're anticipating the Feds to cut rates, and that is bullish, but it's happening at the same time in the month where it's supposed to be a little bearish. Now, what is the play? What can you do with this kind of situation? I do think a week before the rate cut is when we should expect the market to pump, and it's going to dump again right after the rate cut announcement. Also, that's going to depend on how the rates will be decreased or remain the same. We could be surprised that they maintain the same level, depending on what happens in the next few weeks. Nobody knows that, right? So it's anticipation and could make things worse if the rates remain the same. Now, what you can do right now is to sort of hedge your position. You have a lot of things, you bought a lot of altcoins and stuff, you're expecting a bullish market. And to de-risk that, you could take maybe a short position on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that stuff. And with a stop loss, maybe when it starts to pump up again, when it breaks the current resistance of $62,000. At least that's how I position myself. But I do think that there is money on the floor, on the shorts. So I got stopped, then I got back again at around 63, 62K. And now I'm 35% up on a 5x leverage. And that's what it's looking like right now. But overall, there are so many little things that are set up for a bullish market. I mean, look at Ton. Pavel has been arrested in France. And when he gets released, it's going to be a pump for Ton ecosystem and also the meme coins within that ecosystem. And then you got the rate cuts. So October, November, December, Q4, it's usually bullish until February. So if we go down further right now, prepare to buy the dips because things are more likely to dip bigger, and then it's a perfect time to buy low and also to long the high conviction tokens. Like I will go long on Ando in September. I'm just waiting for that big crash at some point, and then I'm prepared to go 5x leverage long until it goes back above $1. That's going to be big money for the end of the year, guys. All right, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and like the video. If you're watching this on X, make sure you retweet. Always appreciate that, guys. And chat later. Stay awesome.